Good afternoon to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekethelo. Bantwana basekhaya ngifuna ukusho lokho ne. Spirituality is deeper than us. Spirituality is bigger than us. Bigger than what we know. Bigger than what we can explain in physical form. Spirituality is big. And I am humbled sometimes to be umntana wamakhosi, not only because of the wisdom but because into ibona engathi ibhalwa wuwe ngencwadi. Yabona? I made a video and I said there's vibrations emkhathini ezirewriteayo. Ngikhuluma nge-dark cloud. And I don't think abantu abangasazi isimoya understood me. Now, today, I saw something. I saw Ungizwe Mchunu, I think, handing himself over to serve a 10 days sentence yakhe, right? You know, when I saw that, do you know what happened to me? I said, now the transformation is beginning. Now the transformation yenzeka. The transformation that okhokho abayifunayo yenzeka exactly as they have written it. It's happening exactly as the stars have written it. Why am I saying this? Tina, when we looked at into ye March and March, or abanye bethu, when we looked at into ye March on March, we thought the whole transformation was happening on 30 June. And kuzoba kuthi into ezobe yenzeka like May 16 June 1976, maybe closer to it or similar to it. And I don't think a lot of people understood what was happening. When I said it's the year of Jubilee, I don't think people understood what I'm saying. History iqale before uprising. History iqale before that. History, someone had to go to jail ukuyokhulula ezinye ithunywa. And the politicians played the exact card that was needed. Someone had to go to jail ukuyokhulula ithunywa. You know, sometimes guys, I wish people would understand isithunywa and ithunywa zisebenza kanjani, or amakhosi esikhuluma ngawo. Thina not lamakhosi in terms of royalty, but when we speak of ancient spirits, kuthi kukhulunywa ngani. They, you know, politicians used the same card ebeyidingeka, because him going there is not exactly him going there, it's not exactly, guys, service sentence. Him going there ukuyokhulula ithunywa ekufaneke iphume emajele, ekufanele ivuke. I spoke about ukuvuka kwamabutho ngathi nawo amabutho evuka, and I was explaining ukuvuswa kwamabutho and people did not understand me still. Lento yoyenza into efaneke yenzeke. The transformation started ilibiyenzeka, but we're not even aware what's happening. That is why I say spirituality is big. Spirituality goes beyond what we see with the natural eye. Yabona leyo yenza manje, if ngempela the video that I saw ukuthi uzinikezelile, yo guys, you have no idea what's been written right now. And unfortunately, there are things that are sacred that I cannot even share. But wow, that's all I can say, and that's all I needed to say.